Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Honda Accord tire pressure. First, ensure all your tires are properly inflated to the recommended PSI, which you can find on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Next, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This prepares the system for the reset process, making sure it's ready to learn the new pressure values. Now, locate your TPMS reset button. It's often found below the steering wheel or in the glove compartment. Press and hold this button until the tire pressure indicator light on your dashboard blinks 3 times. This blinking confirms that the system has registered your reset command and is ready to recalibrate. Release the button once you see the light blink. After releasing the button, you'll need to drive your vehicle. Drive at a speed of 30 miles per hour or more for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the system to recalibrate and learn the new tire pressure values. Once successfully reset, the TPMS indicator light on your dashboard should turn off. If the TPMS light remains on after driving, double-check your tire pressures to ensure they are all correct. Sometimes, a persistent light indicates a more significant issue, like a faulty sensor, so consider consulting a professional technician. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.